The laws governing the most powerful and richest family ruling the world, Rothschild family. Last episode, we tackled the origin of this family which rules and masters the world, the richest and most powerful family ever. We knew that this family is Mayer-Amschel Powers, who had changed his family name from Power to be Rothschild. At the end of the video, we dropped a hint that we are going to talk this time about the laws which Mayer had established for his family before his death, and the will he had left for his children in order to arrange their property and life in a way that enables them to control the world. In the will left by the head of the snake, Mayer-Amschel Rothschild, to his children, he set therein certain laws for the family to comply with. He says, all the leading positions in the companies owned by the family shall be assumed only by the family members. Only males are entitled to work in the companies owned by the family. Rothschild family members shall get married only to their first and second degree relatives in order to preserve the wealth. No information concerning the legacy shall be propagated. No judicial lawsuits shall be filed concerning the heritage or its value, and thus, no declared enumeration has ever been made. The oldest son of the eldest son is the family chief, unless the majority of the family voted for another, as in the case of Nathan Mayer Rothschild, who became, though the third son of Mayer Rothschild, the family's chief after Mayer Rothschild's death. The Great Theft. Please pay attention to the following because this is the takeoff point in Rothschild family's journey. Prince William IX, Prince of Hanau Court in the German Hessen state, knew that Napoleon had set his goal to remove the House of Hessen-Kassel from leadership and the list of men of influence. So, he fled from Germany to Denmark, lodged $3 million with Mayer-Amschel Rothschild as a deposit in order not to be seized by Napoleon's soldiers when they entered the German city Frankfurt. However, the money was never returned to Prince William IX. Mayer Rothschild's son, Nathan, later on invested these $3 million in buying gold from the Eastern Company of India. Out of this marketed money, Nathan had reaped huge profits. Afterwards, Nathan's brother worked on supplying the English army, under the leadership of Wellington, with gold, through Nathan in England. Also, to the French army, under the leadership of Napoleon through James in France. They began with adopting the policy of financing both sides in the war. Nathan left Frankfurt in Germany and went to England at the age of 21. He established the banking services house in London. By the great sum of money his father, Mayer Rothschild, gave him, James Mayer Rothschild left to Paris, France, to establish the Rothschild Frères Bank. The Rothschilds are passionate with wars because they are a huge resource of collecting money through debt secured from the country's government, as well as from this country's people. It did not matter to them that the country loses the war, as the loans were provided with a guarantee from the triumphant country which complied with paying the debts of the defeated. Financing the two sides of this war, Rothschild family used their banks spreading all over Europe, which provided them with the opportunity to set up an unmatched postal network. During that time of secret ways, express mail delivery, and the post delivered by messengers, all the contents used to be opened, and submitted to Rothschild family. Consequently, Rothschild family had always had advanced awareness of the current events. Moreover, those messengers compliant to Rothschild family were the only tradesmen allowed passing through the English and French way borders. They used to inform Nathan Rothschild about the latest news about the ongoing war, so that he can use such intelligence information in buying and selling at his headquarters in London's stock market. According to this information, let's see how cunning and malevolent Nathan Mayer Rothschild was. Informing his wealth. One of the messengers compliant to Rothschild family was named Rotwersch. When the English army overcame in the Battle of Waterloo, Rotwersch managed to inform Nathan Mayer of the news 24 hours earlier than the other messenger of Wellington arrived. At this time, the British bonds were given the name consols. These bonds were traded on the stock market land. Nathan Mayer issued instructions to all his commissioners on the stock market land to begin selling the consols, urging all other speculators in the hall to think that the British army was defeated in the war. So, they began selling frenziedly, hence, the consols' value decreased rapidly. At this point, Nathan Mayer issued instructions to all his commissioners to buy all the consols available. When the news came that Britain had defeated France in the war in 1815 AD, the consul's bonds increased greatly higher than they were before the war ended, yielding for Nathan Meyer revenues estimated as nearly 20:1 to his investments. Such bounce of the consul's value provided Rothschild family with full control over the British economy, which occupied the first financial rank all over the world after Napoleon's defeat. England was compelled to establish the Bank of England, which was controlled by Nathan Meyer Rothschild. It is interesting that 100 years later, after establishing New York Times newspaper, the newspaper mentioned a story illustrating that the granddaughter of Nathan Meyer Rothschild had attempted to have an injunction issued to ban the publishing of a book unfolds the trading of the consuls. As the Rothschild family claimed that this story is false and defamatory, but the court rejected the Rothschild family's appeal and compelled them to incur the court expenses. I know that the topic contains many historical stories. But I ask you as well to search and seek, as what I am telling is the basis of disasters which happened, are happening and will happen. This was the beginning. God willing, we will continue in the next video, clarifying how did Meyer Rothschild manage to control major countries like England, France, Germany, USA, and others. See you, keep following.